Welcome to the Biotechnology program here at Durham College. As a student in the Biotechnology program, you will work in state-of-the-art laboratories where you'll gain experience in manipulating, isolating, and extracting DNA and putting that into microorganisms in order to produce new products. You'll also learn how to extract and isolate proteins away from complex mixtures such as blood and microbial cell factories. You will also learn how to grow and maintain different tissue cultures and a wide array of microorganisms, all with sustainability in mind. You will also work in one of our well-equipped analytical instrumentation labs where you will learn how to analyze compounds and mixtures and apply these skills in real-world scenarios. Our graduates leave this program confident in their skills, which are transferable to many different industries such as the biotech industry, agriculture, environmental, and cannabis industries, as well as being able to work in different food labs and research organizations.
I picked Durham's biotechnology program above everyone else because looking around, a lot of other colleges did hold a biotechnology program. The biggest draw to me was the one-year tenure. It fit the time frame personally for me, somebody who's been out of school for a couple of years. The one-year program helped financially, and the program offered a lot in such a short time that I feel like I got more out of it. We had a lot of hands-on experience here at Durham as well. I got to see the process from start to finish. I got to see all the bumps along the road going there. The hands-on experience really teaches you the troubleshooting process, and I think the experiences with the hands-on in the laboratory were invaluable because learning on a whiteboard is one thing, but getting in and messing around with all the programs, all the machines, all the equipment really teaches you how to use it efficiently, effectively, and safely. One of the biggest things I would say Durham teaches you is what people want in the working world. They teach you what employers want, what's industry standard. Durham taught me all the different rules, regulations for it, and it helps out greatly. I use it every day now. The program, it was very valuable. I felt like every day I came in here, I learned something new, I did something new, or I got to talk to somebody whom I enjoyed talking to. The people here are really a step above. Even the chromatography, HPLC and size exclusion chromatography are used extensively in those programs, and they've helped me get as far as I am now, and I don't see it stopping anytime in the future.